this is what I feel, that every time there's a project that's releasing, I want to already have something else before it releases, you know, so that I have some sense of security that, you know, what after this. और एक तो मुझे, I don't know, it's a very, I think it's also the kind of profession that we belong to. I feel like there's so much uncertainty.
And ऐसा नहीं है कि offers नहीं आए, but जो offers आए थे वो मुझे शायद ठीक नहीं लगे या फिर वो बने भी नहीं. So because in today's time you need a good production, you need a good distribution, you need these are aspects which you do think about as an actor.
And regardless of whether you belong from the industry or you're from the outside, the struggle remains the same in the sense that अब क्या is a question that we all have. कि आगे इससे आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे इससे.
Exactly. Talking about this movie, कौन आया सबसे पहले फिल्म में? Who was cast सबसे पहले?
I think Rohit.
Rohit. Rohit, how was it and what were you told? क्या हो रहा है? Because तब की पिक्चर शाहिद कपूर, अमृता राव, of course, you know, तब से लेके अब तक when you were told, तो क्या था पहला reaction?
So I was actually really flabbergasted when I found out that there was another film being made in the same franchise, and I think मेरा सबसे पहला question ये था कि क्या ये remake है या फिर इसका कोई sequel है? And of course to that they said that no, this is not that, and then I was very excited to know more about it. So this actually conversation started in April of 2021, and I remember I was in Goa right after I'd gotten COVID and I'd gotten out of it, and I'd gone with a couple of my friends to Goa just to relax a little bit. And I was there, and the day we went there is when I got a call saying that, oh, you know what, there's conversations about Ishq Vishk and they want to see whether, you know, we can do something together. So I said, okay, cool, I'll be very excited about it. And then after that conversation, there was no conversation until the end of that year. And then I was shooting for Vikram Vedha in Abu Dhabi. And that's where I got a call saying that they want to do a narration with you for the film.
Right.
And of course that got me really, really excited. And it's when I was going to join the Zoom call is when I found out that it is a Zoom call with Nipun Dharmadhikari, who's our director, who was my one of my first directors in Mismatch Season 1. Sure. He was the second unit director. That's when I found out that Nipun sir was doing it. So I was obviously really, really excited because suddenly I wanted to be a part of this film even more than I already did. And then of course the narration happened and then things followed. So that's how it started for me.
Pash, for you?
So I found out that this film is being made, and I actually knew that you were on board. So they're like, okay, they're making Ishq Vishk with Rohit, and you can test for this if you would like to. Let's go and audition. So I was like, oh my god, I really like Rohit. He's a great actor, he's a cute boy. I'm going. I'm very excited for this. Then when the first audition scene came out, I remember it was a scene that was supposed to be in the film, but I think it got cut. And
what scene was that?
Where I'm talking about Sahir's hair, okay? Something about Sahir's hair. With you, with Raghav. I don't think that scene is in the film anymore. We didn't shoot it. But when I read that script, I was with my best friend Ridhima, and I was just like, this character is exactly like you. I'm just going to go and I'm going to like look at you for a few days, and I'm going to go and give my auditions like you.
Right.
So then we gave the audition, and we finally gave an audition with Nipun sir, where he was taking the audition. And I think 2 months passed by, I didn't get any call back, nothing, and I was just like, okay, I still somewhere in my heart felt like, okay, I think I did well in that audition. And then we got a call back. They said that you're locked for the film. Come to the office, meet everybody. And my mum was there, and I remember just because I've given so many auditions before, and just nothing manifested. Right? This is the first time something manifested, and my mum was there right in front of me. And I remember we were right next to the mandir. So the Ganpati Ji Murti was there, and we both hugged each other, and both of us started crying together. And it was, I can't explain, one of the best moments of my life.
Wow. Wow. Gibran, for you, tell me, you know, you've been there, done that. ठीक है, बचपन से लेके नहीं, you've always been there यार, मतलब सबने इतना प्यार पहले से दिया है. Difficult कितना था ये पिक्चर में काम मिलना? Was it difficult? Because it took you some time.
Yes.
English.
Of course, sir. Journey बहुत ही tough रही है. I mean, I don't want to make it sound cliche like, but I think for every actor, I think today to become a mainstream actor or just to get that right break, you know, it takes a lot of time. बहुत
Yeah.
time लगता है.
Yeah.
And ऐसा नहीं है कि offers नहीं आए, but जो offers आए थे वो मुझे शायद ठीक नहीं लगे या फिर वो बने भी नहीं. So because in today's time you need a good production, you need a good distribution, you need these are aspects which you do think about as an actor. So वक्त लगा है, but rejections भी बहुत हुए हैं काफ़ी time, but I just felt that Ishq Vishk when I auditioned for it, and you know this I have not told you guys also this, but while growing up, you know, when people say ना कि यार तुझे ऐसी पिक्चर करनी चाहिए, मुझे बहुत लोग ने बोला था ये कि you should do a film like Ishq Vishk, you know, and I genuinely, I don't know, now I think about it, it
That's
actually
crazy.
happened with me.
Yeah.
You know, so manifestation also helps. Somebody else's also must have helped for me. But yeah, it's been a tough journey. But today, when I'm sitting here with these guys, even that day when we did the song, it all just felt worth it. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
वो weight का बहुत respect है, you know, and it's made me something which I wouldn't have been if I got it, I think, slightly easier.
Right.
So I'm happy, yaar. I'm very happy with this, and I feel actors should go through this
Right.
because it makes
Yeah.
you strong.
Absolutely.
It makes you very strong.
Right.
Yeah.
Naila, for you, when people start recognizing you, you know, आपके काम के बाद देखने लगते हो, उनको लगता है हाँ ये तो, because एक बार पहचानने लगे तो उनकी नज़र में आप स्टार हो ऑलरेडी. कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि एक प्रोजेक्ट में तो मैंने बहुत अच्छा कर लिया, अभी आगे क्या होगा, वो इंतजार रहता है?
Absolutely, I think you've said it. हर प्रोजेक्ट के बाद जब वो प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म होता है, then that journey starts again. And regardless of whether you belong from the industry or you're from the outside, the struggle remains the same in the sense that अब क्या is a question that we all have.
हाँ.
कि आगे इससे आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे इससे?
Exactly.
What else do we do? And I feel like that's a question that doesn't really have a definitive answer.
Huh.
It's just something that you know, by the grace of God and your stars and thoda kismat, you'll read certain things and you'll connect and identify, and you'll know that this is it.
Huh.
For example, like, you know, like my Mamla Legal Hai was not something that I had really envisioned that I would do so early on. But there was just an instant click when I read that script, and I
Yeah.
knew that I had to do something like that because it kind of called out to me. And I think वही होता है कि वो intuitive अंदर ही अंदर एक gut feeling हो जाता है that this is it. And that's how I felt about this, and that's how I felt about Mamla. And I feel कि अगर आप उस intention से आगे बढ़ोगे तो तब वो अब क्या थोड़ा और आसान journey हो जाएगा. You know?
Right, right. For you, you've done a lot of work. अच्छा खासा काम किया है और लोग जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं. But still, do you ever feel कि यार ये काम हो गया? Because लोगों को बड़ा आसान लगता है कि अच्छा ये तो अभी स्टार बन गया, इसके बाद काम की लाइनें होगी. कभी होता है खुद के लिए हल्की सी वो इतनी सी इनसिक्योरिटी कभी लगती है कि आगे क्या करने वाला हूँ मैं?
Absolutely, sir. I mean, I feel every single time, you know, there is a project that's releasing. This is what I feel, that every time there's a project that's releasing, I want to already have something else before it releases, you know, so that I have some sense of security that, you know, what after this. और एक तो मुझे, I don't know, it's a very, I think it's also the kind of profession that we belong to. I feel like there's so much uncertainty that you don't necessarily know today you're on a project, tomorrow you're not on a project.
Yes.
So most definitely there is a certain sense of, I think more than insecurity, I think there's uncertainty that
Right.
listen,
That's
when
okay.
am I going to be on
Another set.
on another set
Yeah.
after this? Actually, this year I started working from January. But before this, the last time I was on a film set was on Ishq Vishk.
Yeah.
Right? So for some time I was actually just at home because I didn't have anything to look forward to. I wasn't working on any other projects. And that's why, you know, so many people also would ask me after Mismatch Season 2 that, oh, you know, what's next now? When is Mismatch Season 3? And some things are not in your control, you know. A season, like for example, our first season was 2020, sorry. Then our second season was 22.
Yeah.
Third season, I don't know is going to release when. So, like, those things are not in your control. So, there are just times when you're sitting at home not knowing when the hell you're going to be on a film set next.
Right.
And I think it's moments like those where I think those, you know, spiraling thoughts kind of come in.
Yeah, then.
There are
Yeah.
days, but then also most days you're just, you know, kind of hopeful and move on with that.
Right. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you.
You guys are
Thank you.
awesome.
This was a lovely
You were
interview.
awesome.
You
Thank
were
you so
awesome.
much. जाते जाते it's time for a masti selfie with these wonderful people.
Let's go.
Thank you.